clarity of vision, clarity of mission has been achieved further. So, and that has been a great moment. It has been a wow moment for me. I am Mr. Daniel Wumani, the CEO and President of Darwana Development Foundation, an organization that works with community to restore degraded forests and degraded lands. I have achieved clarity, that's further clarity on my mission and my vision as an organization. And then what that means is that the clearer, the sharper your mission and vision is, the better you are able to communicate it, and then the better you are able to implement it. So, and that has been a great moment. It has been a wow moment for me.